Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft lag in your mobile device. However, Minecraft is not available in my region, but I'll guide you through the steps on how you can do this. Now, freeing up system resources always helps the game run much more smoothly, so make sure that you close all of your background apps. Completely close all out of other applications to free up your device RAM. You can do this by simply scrolling, and on your recent, if you have any other application, just scroll up and you can remove all the background apps. And another important thing, playing while your phone is actively charging can cause it to heat up, throttling its performance. So make sure that you unplug from your charger and ensure that you have enough free space on your phone. As you can see, the application itself is highly heavy. That is, it has 638 MB. That is just for the application to install. So it's gonna take more than a gigabyte. That's why low internal storage heavily impacts the performance of sandbox games. And finally, if nothing works, then you can always restart your device. A quick reboot clears temporary cache files and gives you a fresh memory space. Just try to restart your device and tap on restart icon right over here, and after you restart, try reopening the application and you're good to go. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.